So what you can do is unplug your sensor cable, just take it off the bike, and then just put a waterproof cap on or whatever, and keep riding your bike with the sensor unplugged. So what I did is bought this cable, extension cable, brake extension cable here, 2-pin, and cut it in half to make a pigtail so that I could hook up my meter leads and test the ohms. This is what's called a magnetic reed switch, and a magnet causes the switch to close. So it should either be infinite ohms, like no resistance, just like open, or it should be less than 1 ohm of resistance with it closed. If you have a faulty switch, you'll get all kinds of readings. 10 ohms, 10k ohms, mega ohms. That's a bad switch. What you have is a magnet inside this right here, and that magnet goes through that aluminum and toggles the reed switch. So now I'm going to put it on, and you have to adjust it, and I'll show you how. You're going to need to move your shifter out of the way so you can access the screws right there. So I have these screw holes all the way at the back of the slots, and what that means is I have to squeeze the brake a whole lot before it actually trips the meter. So as I squeeze the brake, I'm squeezing it, and squeezing it. So there, it switched to, and that brake is already all the way compressed, so it would not start to actuate until I was completely stopped. So I need to slide that forward some. So now I've got it about in the middle of the slots, and what that looks like here is about 3/4 of an inch at the end of the lever before it trips. The reason you want a little bit of a travel here is so that you don't get false cutouts while you're riding. If you have it too close, then just like little bumps on this handlebar while you're riding. See how this guy goes up and down? Just this motion right here while you're riding. You want to check that, wiggle this up and down. Make sure you don't get any false cutouts just from the vibration of the handle while you're riding. And then plug it into the original input here, and I'm all done. And that's how you test and replace a brake sensor. And the link to this part is in the description below.